Welcome back and happy Wednesday, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today's video is mostly going to be about data labeling, data entry, data analysis, all kinds of different data jobs. We have jobs that start at like $15, $16 an hour, more for entry level. And then we have jobs, if you want to stay to the end, that's a little bit more advanced that starts at $100,000 a year. That would be $48 an hour. So no matter what your skill set is, I've got you covered in this video if you're looking for some kind of data type job. We even have a position that is allowing you to set your own hours and kind of work when you want to. Perfect if you're trying to just make a little bit of extra money for this upcoming holiday season, working around other jobs, other responsibilities, things like that. But as always, if you're trying to get to any of the pages that I'm sharing in this video to read reviews on the companies, put those applications in, timestamps if you want to skip ahead to another job if one just doesn't seem like it is a good fit for you, all additional information can be found in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, please let me know. Give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Now, the first one is not a data job. Everything else is. So we are going to start off with Dow Jones is hiring. I wanted to share this first up because this is a very time sensitive job, but it might be a good fit for someone. So I just thought I'd throw it in here. Dow Jones has 1,500 reviews on Glassdoor. They have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer experience associate. This is going to be remote for the United States. There's a few things in this job posting that make me feel like a lot of this customer service is going to be like through non-phone channels, whether that be like email, website, chat, or social media. And the pay is fairly good. But they are looking for somebody to basically serve as the primary point of contact for their customers, setting a positive tone, just making sure that you manage their high volume, it says communication channels, with a focus on being empathetic to the customer, making sure that their needs are met. Now, Dow Jones is like a financial institution, and so you're going to address customer challenges, be creative, utilizing the tools that they give you, just basic customer service, solving the customer's issues. Now, this is 100% remote work from home, and their hours of operation are 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. So they do have some flexibility based in other time zones, but if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But what makes me think that this is a lot of non-phone work is that they're saying this position could be for you if you love getting your inbox to zero and taking care of every last remaining question that comes in from customers before you like end your day. You're one of those people, you want your work down to zero and completely caught up. So most of this sounds like it's going to be like on inbox email, but they're also looking for somebody who doesn't mind hopping on the phone, maybe making those outbound phone calls and having a real voice-to-voice conversation with someone if that is needed. Sometimes communication is just not being understood through written word, and that's when voice is really good. So maybe it's like a 80-20 split or something. I'm not sure. You'd have to ask that at the time of the interview, but they only require somebody who has 3 years of some kind of customer service experience, somebody who has great communication skills, can work in a fast-paced environment, has good like time management skills. You can navigate around computer systems like Google Workspace, Zoom, Slack, things like that. Pay for this position, though, for a customer service job is very high. It's anywhere from $60,000 a year up to $70,000 a year. But please note, today is October 23rd. When I'm recording this, it is 8:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 23rd. They're only taking applications through the day, and they don't say what time today they are taking applications. So that's why I wanted to share this one up front. If you're interested in this one, pause the video, go get that application in, and then come back. Moving into all the data jobs, the rest of this video is nothing but data jobs. And first up, we have Conduent. They have 10,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data analyst. This is remote for the United States. Now, right off the bat, they are looking for somebody who can type at least 45 words per minute. Pay for this one is $17 an hour, and the hours of work are 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. But they are really looking for somebody to just capture and validate complex data in their system. You'll pre-adjudicate, basically review whatever documents and correct the data on those documents before they get ingested into the system. You'll research and examine issues and information for next steps of the data. So you're really just conducting extra searches and extra review on data to extract accurate data and input the same accurate data into the system. So you are basically checking all the data before it even gets into the system, completing assignments using multiple source documents to verify data. So you're not just using one document to verify data. You might have 3 documents, and you need to make sure that data is consistent across all 3. And any electronic data forms with customer or additional information that you need for those forms, things are not filled out, information is missing, you're going to return those electronic forms and ask the customer to please complete them. Now, they don't really require a whole lot of experience with this. They're looking for somebody who can be analytical, of course, kind of work with different data sets, somebody who can be a problem solver, and follow established operating procedures and policies. Of course, you've got to have good computer skills, be a multitasker, but no college degree or anything like that is needed. Staying in the realm of entry-level type data positions, Firstsource Solutions is hiring. They have 3,300 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for someone to do data entry, or like a data entry operator or specialist. So this is going to be a basic data entry. You are literally entering data from scanned or processed images, PDF documents, things like that, into their data capture system, making sure that you maintain productivity goals and volumes. So you're going to have to enter so many documents per hour or per whatever. And you're going to have to make sure that your quality is there while you're entering this data. So you've got to make sure that you enter the data error-free, but that's literally it. You're looking at a scanned image or document and typing what that says into their computer system, nothing else. They are looking for somebody who's a high school diploma or GED, good computer skills, good data entry skills, and someone who has a basic math skills, like a basic multiplication, subtraction, division, addition, things like that. Pay is $15.25 an hour, and this is a Monday through Saturday job. So please note they are looking for someone to work on Saturdays, having a Sunday and 1 weekday off. Now, if you're looking for more of a set your own schedule type job, Omni Interactions is hiring. They have 533 reviews with an overall rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They're looking for people to be data annotators or do their data annotation. This is going to be a 1099 contract position. It is remote work from home for the United States, but please note there are a few states, including California and New York, that they cannot currently hire in. But they are looking for somebody to log on when you have time and just help them label and annotate data for their AI and machine learning projects. So you might work on multiple projects at the same time, or you might work on one project, and when that project is finished, you'll apply and work on another project. But data annotation is basically telling the computer what data something is. So you might have to label things like images, like maybe this is an image of the bicycle, this is red, like maybe you got to tag it red, this is a red bicycle, things like that. You've got to annotate and say what text is saying, videos, different things like that. The videos I have done in the past myself, it's like maybe it's a 2-minute video and you have to watch the video clip and you have to pause it and tag it sometimes, like every time an action occurs. Like it's every time someone bends down to pick up an object, you tag it that that's happening in the video. So that's training the AI to kind of know what it sees and kind of correlate what it sees with an action being done. Or you might have to tag videos with different objects appear in the screen, something like that. They do pay $16 to $17 an hour, and they're really just looking for somebody who is detail-oriented, can have that critical thinking skills, and of course, you're tech-savvy, you're comfortable working with data tools. Now, please note you do have to pass a background check with this one, and they'll give you like a quick 15-minute test or assessment. And of course, if you're more advanced with the data and you're looking for something that pays a little bit higher, we have Crunchbase hiring. Crunchbase has 81 reviews from past and current employees, and overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data and AI specialist. Again, this is remote for the United States. Although it is for the United States, they have state restrictions. They can currently hire in California. You are included. Colorado, Illinois, Florida, Georgia, Massachusetts, Nevada, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Oregon, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Texas, Virginia, and Washington. So if you're in one of those states, they are really looking for somebody to solve complex problems using data and AI. So you'll compile and experiment with different AI prompts, testing their outputs to achieve the desired results. You're going to collaborate with their data scientists and engineers to help create training data sets and fine-tune the AI model's behavior and responses. So you are making sure that the AI model's responses are what we would expect them to be, and the AI is giving good responses. So you're helping define the performance metrics to evaluate these AI models, developing, designing, maintaining tools and initiatives, staying ahead of basically the industry advancements. So you are working a lot with data and data sets where AI is concerned. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree for this. You do have to have great communication skills, great problem solving skills, and they are looking for somebody who has at least 1 year of experience in data labeling or other data management fields, someone who's familiar with like GPT, LLMs, somebody who's familiar with like SQL, Python, Google Sheets, all the different technology things, just being a problem solver. Pay starts at $100,000 a year. $100,000 a year is $48 an hour and goes up to $120,000 a year based on experience and location. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I never make any promises. I do read those and keep that in mind though. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.